Can you zoom in? We can't even read it.
So you brought your cameras and take a picture of it. You can zoom the photograph. Anyway, what here, I'll tell you what, let me do it half at a time, okay? It's kind of zoomy. It's not working! Wait a minute. Here we go.
Write it down.
I'm going to read it out loud. That's what I said I was going to do, okay? The images, you'll see some blurry things. When you read it to yourself, look at this image, it's all right, this data storage technology uses many hard drives, any of which can be easily replaced. Okay, what term refers to joining two or more web apps to create a hybrid? An example of autonomic computing is, what kind of programming language brings together both data and instructions about what to do with the data? Software that manages the resources of the computer is called. Legacy systems are still in use today because, mainly because, what is the most common reason for using a workstation rather than a personal computer? Connecting geographically remote computers in a single network to create a virtual supercomputer is called. Which of the following is a type of optical storage? So, a type of logical database model treats data as if they were stored in two-dimensional tables. A characteristic or quality describing an entity is called the process of streamlining data to minimize redundancy and awkward data-ending relationships is called. The type of database management approach that can handle multimedia is the data mining is different from other advanced data analysis because it can. Through data mining, researchers discover that when people buy product X, they often also later buy product Y and later product Z. This kind of information is called an okay. Which is the most common database model used in business computing today? The method of dividing digital messages into pieces, transmitting them along different communication paths, and reassembling them at their destination is called. In a telecommunications network architecture, a protocol is what? Which signal type has a continuous waveform, for example, used in telephone voice communication? Which type of network treats all processors equally, and they're usually the same size like all PCs, and is an alternative to client-server computing for small local area networks? All network components connect to a single hub in a, blank work by using radio waves to communicate with radio antenna placed within adjacent geographic areas. We're moving right ahead here. Good. Okay. What telecom medium does not transmit electromagnetic impulses or radio waves? The most common LAN topology in business is, which of the protocols the internet is most famous for? Which of the following services enables logging onto one computer system and working on another? What technology allows people to have content they're interested in pulled from websites and fed or sent to them automatically to their computers? Which of the following is true regarding passive RFID tags? What is the foundation technology for web services? When the internet of intranet of one company joins with that of another company, it's called a large amounts of data stored in electronic form are compared than the same data in manual form. We're comparing data stored two different ways. The main security problem on the internet is X. An independent computer program that copies itself from one computer to another over a network is called a keylogger is a type of what? Using numerous computers to attack, flood, and overwhelm the network or server from numerous launch points is called a what attack? Tricking employees to reveal their passwords by pretending to be an aardvark is called, okay. The HIPAA Act is what? Sarbanes-Oxley is what? Analysis of an information system that rates the likelihood of a security incident occurring and its cost is included in what? Packet filtering, network address translation, and application proxy filtering are carried out in what security format? All right. See? All right. Okay, good. You knew all that anyway, didn't you? You knew all that. You don't need me. No, you don't need any of this.